Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Guys, in the last video, we encountered a really weird ore in that it's an unusual ore but with a rare ore sprite. It's weird. We refined it and we didn't get anything significant though. So if you want to check out my last video, which is Super Bosses 11 to 15. Link will be in the description below. But this video is for Super Bosses number 16 to 20. Let's just begin. This is Grumpig, Psychic type. Let's switch to Bug type and let's begin. These Pokemon have been caught after Super Boss number 10, so they're pretty weak. And you can deal a lot more damage probably by catching more recent Pokemon. But my Power Gears and Summon Gears are pretty strong, so that explains why I'm not exactly having a tough time with these Super Bosses. We're just quickly finishing all these super bosses as fast as we could using Pokemon we've caught from this island, but Power Gears that were refined or strengthened over time for the past many months, and Summon Gears that we've collected for the past many months as well. I think that's Roserade. Roserade is a poison and grass type. And if I'm not mistaken, he's not weak again to Bug Buzz, but he's gonna be weak to Psybeam. Let's do it. Bouquet Pokemon. How dare you use Giga Impact on me? I flinch you. I flinch you again. Roserade is gone. I'm actually multitasking Pokemon Rumble Rush and Pokemon Masters. So in my other phone, I'm doing Pokemon Masters. In this phone, I'm doing Rumble Rush. And with that said, it's time for Super Boss number 18, Blaziken. I hope we don't encounter any roadblocks before Super Boss number 20, but I don't think that will be the case. Anyway, this is Blaziken Super Boss number 18, weak to Psychic, because it's firefighting type. And Scorbunny is just a fire type. Or Cinderace is just a fire type. When people were thinking it should be firefighting because it has a couple of fighting moves. Boom. Flinch you. Now go summon some underlings. Summon your underlings. Summon your underlings. Do not charge towards me. I hate you. How dare you do that? Summon your underlings and I kill them, and I kill you with the power I got from your underlings. Goodbye. Bye-bye, Blaziken. Bye, Blaziken. Bye-bye, Super Boss 18. Time for 19. Hopefully no roadblocks. No roadblocks, please. Normally the roadblocks are 19 or 20. I forgot already. But apparently we're still safe. I think there's a roadblock in 20. Let's hope not. Heracross, weak to Psychic type. And Armaldo? Yeah, Armaldo, correct. I use a summon gear. I flinch you. Oh, it's pretty bulky this time. Tanky. You'll go down soon. Are you gonna charge towards me or summon? Yes, you summoned your underlings. Do I still need them? Do I want to kill you with a summon gear? I have to decide. Yes, I will kill you with a summon gear. Goodbye. That was Super Boss number 19. And I fear that we will be encountering a roadblock here. Will there be a roadblock? Did we successfully overcome that roadblock already? Or haven't we? We'll know in a couple of seconds. Uh-oh. That's a bad sign. Hey there, it's Kali from the Adventures Club. Thanks so much for your help with our research at Butterfree Sea. Thanks to you, our research into the state of Pokemon habitats at Butterfree Sea is nearing completion. SPL Gum, even though Latias is a tough customer, I believe you've got what it takes to achieve our research goals for that particular Pokemon. And guys, it's a roadblock. It's a roadblock. There's our Masquerain. Perfect. Super perfect. Super negative 230, negative 7, guys. Perfecto. Let's go and catch ourselves a Masquerain. Masquerain. Two-star. Or was it 3-star? Blue for 3-star. Yellow for 4-star. Red for 5-star. That's it. We got our Masquerain on the first try. I'm happy about that. And it's quite nearing too. We have to do our daily stage before it turns to... We'll do it after Super Boss number 20 off camera, guys. That said, this is Latias Super Boss number 20. Let's use this and kill Latias as fast as we could. Latias, come here. Come here. You won't get a chance to use that. Perfect. Summon your underlings and die by my hand. Bye-bye. You're still alive? Bye-bye. Super Boss number 20 is dead. What? You took down Latias. And that just about wraps up our research at Butterfree Sea. SPL Gum, it's all thanks to the cooperation of you and your fellow adventurers. On behalf of the Adventurers Club, I'd like to express my gratitude. And guys, that was Super Boss number 20 and the last Super Boss of this video. Stay tuned for Super Bosses number 21 to 25 in the next video coming soon after I finish this. And after I finish uploading this. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. And just when we thought that the spike in Pokemon power had subsided, now we're hearing word that mighty super bosses have appeared. We're counting on you and other skilled adventurers. You can do it. Right.